Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube expired download issue on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. So friends, to fix this problem, first open up the settings application on your device. On the settings application, scroll down and tap general. On the general menu, scroll down and tap date and time. Make sure your time zone is correct here. If the time zone is not correct, enter your correct time zone here. After that, set your date and time manually or enable set automatically. Now go back to the YouTube application and see if the download expired issue is resolved.